Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to share with you a powerful truth that can change your life and transform your financial future. Many people believe that becoming a millionaire is reserved only for the lucky few, or for those born with privilege. But what if I told you that the path to millionaire status is closer than you think? It's within your grasp, waiting for you to take hold of it. Yes, my friends, you are just one skill away from transforming your financial destiny and achieving the coveted millionaire status. In today's rapidly changing world, success isn't about luck or circumstances. It's about mastering the skills that drive wealth creation. As we journey together today, I urge you to open your mind and heart to the possibility of realizing your full potential. Now, let me share a bit of my story with you. I spent years working tough jobs, construction, farms, factories, putting in long hours just to make ends meet. I was frustrated. One day I started asking myself, why do some people succeed where others don't? It was then that I discovered a key truth. Success leaves tracks. I got into sales, and I saw someone in my company making 10 times more than the rest of us, even though he was doing exactly what we were doing. I asked him, "What's your secret?" He simply said, "I did it." What I found out changed my life. The concept I discovered was the law of cause and effect. Everything happens for a reason, and there are no effects without causes. This law is the basis of all success. If you can define the effect you desire, whether it's financial freedom, success in business, or personal growth, you can trace it back to the cause. It's simple. If someone else did it, so can you. I realized that success isn't an accident. There's a track record left by those who have succeeded before. If you follow their track record, no matter where you start, you'll eventually get to the same destination. This law is crucial for anyone who wants to achieve greatness. It gives us the tools to understand what it takes to succeed and the roadmap to get there. Let's take a look at some success stories. Oprah Winfrey was born into poverty, yet she became one of the most influential women in the world. Elon Musk, coming from a humble background, went on to revolutionize industries with Tesla and SpaceX. These people didn't wait for opportunities, they created them. Their success wasn't just about having the right connections or luck. It was about the mindset they cultivated, the risks they took, and the decisions they made. Success leaves signals, and they followed the tracks of others who had done it before. Now, let's get practical. What can you do today to start following in their footsteps? Here's the first step. Take control of your mindset. Successful people think differently. They focus on growth, not failure. They turn obstacles into opportunities. The second step is to take action. Nothing happens without consistent effort. If you want to build wealth, start with financial education. Learn how money works. Start with budgeting, saving, and investing. The more you learn, the more you earn. Finally, invest in yourself. Whether it's books, courses, or mentorship, successful people are always learning and growing. The best investment you can make is in your own knowledge and skills. One of the most crucial things I've learned is that success is about persistence. Most people give up after facing setbacks. But the key to becoming a millionaire is to keep going. Failure is part of the process. Every successful person has faced failure, but what sets them apart is that they keep moving forward. Think about your own life. How many times have you given up before even trying? The average person gives up on their goals before they even get started. We live in a world of someday. Someday I'll start saving. Someday I'll lose weight. Someday I'll start a business. But today is the day to stop dreaming and start acting.